Hello everyone, this is question number 32. These questions belong to theory of competition from NFA topic. So in the question says that in the epsilon-NFA M, this is the tuples of any machine and this represents the total number of state, and this is the symbol, and this is the transition function. Q0 is the first state, Q3 represent the final state. So here we have the final state and initial state. This is the transition function and this is a variable, and these are the number of state. So where the transition function is given in the transition table, here the transition function has been defined in the form of table. What is the minimum length of string to reach to the final state? Here just represent the state. Q0 represent the initial state and Q3 represent the final state. In the theory of computation, we represent the final state with the double circle and Q0 represent with the arrow. So Q0 is the first state. Here by observing the table, here the Q0 is the first state, and by applying the epsilon on Q0 we will get the next state. This is the beauty of the epsilon NFA, where we need not to apply any variable on a particular state to reach the next state. Here I am applying the epsilon in order to reach the next state. Here I am having Q1 because in the table it is clearly mentioned that on Q0 state, if I am applying epsilon, I will get the next state, and Q0 there is no such transition of variable a, it is null over here. So in the next Q1, if I am applying the epsilon, we will get the next state, that is Q2. So likewise on the Q1, if I am applying epsilon, I will get the next state, that is Q2. And so likewise in Q1, a variable is not applied. In the Q2, we are not applying epsilon. Instead of that, we are applying variable a on the Q2. So here when applying Q2 on a, I will get two different state, because on the same variable I can get two different variables in two different state in the NFA. So here on Q2, if I am applying a, I will get the same state, that is Q2. If I am applying a on Q2, I will get the Q3 state, and in the question it is mentioned that Q3 is the final state. So they are asking that what is the minimum length of string. So according to this diagram, what will be the minimum length to reach from this state to this state? Here we can directly see that if we are applying epsilon and then a, I will reach the final state. I will reach the that is Q3. Q3 is the final state here. So I can say, and Q and epsilon will not count as the length of the string. So here the length of the string is only one, that is a. So the correct option for this question will be option number 2. I need only one variable to reach the final state.